everyone, my name is Giovanni Habana, taking the Bachelor of Technology Undergraduate Education major in Industrial Arts. And this day we dive into the fascinating world of ICT hardware components. So what is computer hardware? Computer hardware is the physical stuff that makes up your computer, everything you can touch. It's crucial because without it, there's no way to run software or process information. First, we have input devices. These are how you give instructions to your computer. Keyboards, mice, touchscreens, and even microphones are all input devices. Output devices, on the other hand, show you the results, your monitor, printer, and speakers. Processing power of CPU and GPU. The brain of your computer is the Central Processing Unit or CPU. It handles calculations, and the Graphics Processing Unit or GPU is specialized for handling graphics and visual, making games and video editing smoother. High disk drivers or HDD using spinning disk, while solid state drivers use flash memory. SSD are generally faster and more durable. USB drives offer portable storage. Touchscreens input and output. Touchscreens are called because they act as both input and output. You touch the screen to give commands or input, and the screen displays the results or output. Connectivity and teamwork. Devices connect using USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. All these hardware components work together seamlessly to create a functional computer system. Choosing the right hardware is key for different tasks. A gaming PC needs a powerful GPU, while a business laptop might prioritize battery life. Conclusion: understanding hardware components is essential for anyone working with computers. Knowing they work together helps you troubleshoot problems and choose the right system for your